Hi, this is Mr. Bentley, and this video is to help you walk through the process of joining a virtual board game on the Board Game Arena website. This is the website we will use to do our Friday virtual board game activity. Now, while we are playing the virtual board game, we're also going to be running a Google Meet, and that's how we're going to be able to talk to each other and virtually see each other. And then we use the Board Game Arena website to play the actual board game itself. So that's the part that I'm going through right now, is how to log into the virtual board game part of our board game activity. So you will have needed to already set up a account with the Board Game Arena website. If you haven't done that, I have a video that walks you through that process. If you have done that, that's great. You'll need to make sure that you are logged into Google Chrome with your student information, and that's the same information you would use to log into, say, your Google Classroom that we use. So the first thing, that once you have logged into there and you're running the Google Meet in the background, you need to go to Board Game Arena, and you click on Board Game Arena. It should bring you straight to this page right here, and you should already be logged in to your account. And this is assuming that when you made your account, you logged in with Google. It gave you the option to set up an account using your Google information. And if you're logged into your Google account, your student credentials, that it will bring you directly to this page. If it asks you to log in, you can say log in through Google, and it will bring you to this page here. And here is where you will wait. Now, I have that is what I do. I set up the board game and I invite you to participate in it. And what you will see when I set up a board game, I'm going to set up an invitation for you to play Yahtzee, or this video. I will set up an invitation to play Yahtzee, and this is what you will see. Up at the top, when I send the invitation, it will say, Mr. Bentley invites you to a table, and you will want to click the Accept button. Okay, and this is what it will look like. You'll hear a knocking noise, and it will ask you to wait, or rather you'll wait. That down here you'll see that Mr. Bentley is at the table, that you'll see that there will probably be a couple of other people that are there as well. Those are other students in our class that are playing the game for the purpose of this invitation. In this video, I'm going to just do it with use me and this example page that I'm doing. So when it's ready, you start the game, and then it will bring up this page. You need to click the Accept button. You click the Accept button, and it will bring you to a page that looks like this. If we're playing Yahtzee, this is what it will look like. Now you see that right here, it says Mr. Bentley. That would be my teacher account. And then you see over here, Mr. Benny. That's my example account that I made for this one. That you'll see both of the players here. If we're playing with other students, you'll see their names here as well. That on my turn, I would take my turn, and we would wait patiently while I do that. And I got a terrible roll. All right, and now when it's your turn, when you're playing Yahtzee, for example, that the way Yahtzee works is you're trying to make certain dice rolls that match certain requirements to score points. In this case, we're looking at a very good roll for trying to get 5s. To re-roll dice, we want to roll them and trying to get another number to appear. We click on the dice we want to re-roll, click the re-roll button, and it gives us those again. It gives us the new dice rolls. Now we're going to try and do that one more time, and we still didn't get anything, and that's fine. So to score your points, you need to come down to this area down here where your listings are, and you're going to click on the box that you want to score those points in. In this case, we're going to put them in our 5s. And then that completes your turn. and it goes to the next person. Now, this is just an example of Yahtzee. There are other games that we play, and it is very similar in that we take turns, and when it is another person's turn, we can chat. Using the Google Meet, we'll talk to each other. We might make suggestions on what might be a good idea for a person to do, and we go through and play these games together. So if we're playing Yahtzee, this is how we do Yahtzee. If we're playing another game, then we go through and we do that, and we have a good time. So if you have any additional questions, that when we're setting up the game, fortunately, will be on Google Meet, so you can ask around there and provide you the answers to any questions you have. So thank you for watching, and we look forward to playing.